I thought we said 6 a.m.
Who?
6:40. 6:41.
Huh?
6:45.
No.
I texted you and told you 6:45.
He said 6:30.
No, you said 6:30.
No, I said 6.
6:45.
I said 6. And he was like 6:30. Thanks for
It don't matter
understanding.
because I'm the driver, so.
Whatever.
Oh shit.
Taking it out before I go.
Everything PJ just had me bottom pop from April. Here, we made it.
The bike's made it. I mean, it only
Got
took
bungees.
a bungee cord, but
2 bungee cords, 3 maybe. I don't know.
we're here
We are here. We're live.
at Ray's Mountain Bike Park.
Yeah.
What a beautiful day it is outside.
It's raining.
That's why we're going inside.
Yep.
PJ drove us, nice asleep, but he'll come out
He's in the van in there.
eventually.
He'll be in there. Just.
But yeah, we're going to go shred. It's going to be awesome. And you're going to love it.
What we thinking so far, bud?
Place is sick. I really want to try a no-hander, like one to wood.
Wood to wood?
Wood to wood. Top of there, be sick. Still filling it out.
Yeah. How about you, Max?
Great time.
That's all you got?
Huh?
That's all you got to say?
Yeah, I'm out of breath.
What about you, PJ?
What about you?
I don't know. I'm scared.
Sir, flex I do work. 6 I'm like Mike. He's out of sight. Whoa, you got me pipe. 2 man like Ike. 6 out the spot. Ain't too night. Yeah, I'm shaking the drop. I'm still up on top. I been had the bop. The devil my op. Can't pay me to stop. My God at the top. We gon' praise our way out the grave. Living, speaking,
right
praise
here.
God. Walking
right
out
here?
the graveyard back to life. I serve,
Not bad.
follow you.
Bird, do a tuck no-hander.
All right. No-hander again?
Again.
3 no-handers in a row. We got this.
See with new sight. Into the night. Yeah, this life I'm living. All the advice been tipped in. Gave me that grip, no slipping. Out of my mind, we tripping. Tell me take 2 when I'm
take that
on
to the
one.
Resi.
That look out like no
Take that to
one.
the
Kept it real
Resi.
tight like your son.
Is that Resi ready?
You gotta hit the
We
red
gon'
before you.
praise our way out the grave, dog. Living, speaking, praise
That is
God.
true.
Walking out the graveyard back to life. I serve, follow your word, see with new sight into the night. Still on side, still outside, still outside.
Yeah.
We got 2 of the homies right here. What's your guys' names?
PJ.
Bird.
Y'all got any social media profiles?
PBJ Films.
Yeah. That's our YouTube.
We got the YouTube?
Yeah.
We're gonna watch these motherfuckers go do some cool ass shit right now, real quick. And yeah. I appreciate you. I saw y'all just whipping around.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try to get a little bit of footage from you guys.
Yeah.
You guys are cool with that. What do you think would be the best place for me to jump on it?
Maybe in there.
Yeah, I'm thinking the staircase right there would be perfect. All right, y'all put me together, man.
I thought I'd come over here and see if you're like surviving.
You want to go to the right, big line, and I'll go to the mid line?
Yeah, who's going first?
Back
him to scrub, dude.
Bro, he's scrubbing this wood, bro. Like one grip license.
Ray should pay him to clean this place. How much he's scrubbing?
What did he scrubbing that?
Okay, both of you.
I'll give
Okay,
you. I'll give you $10 bucks.
You don't have to pay me for gas if I don't have to pay you for lunch.
That's fair. But Max still didn't pay for gas.
I know. But I'm gonna have for lunch. You got me water,
And snack mix.
so you can pay like $10 for the gas. Are you filming?
Yeah, I really want an outro.
You're gonna use that, dude? This is PBJ. We just got outroed. Or we just got shout out by Philly Cheesesteak of Cleveland.
No way, that was who that was?
Yeah, he's the guy that owns that.
Nuh-uh.
Did you not hear him?
Uh-uh.
He said, I'm just trying to promote my food truck and promote this place and maybe even promote you guys, you know, just on my TikTok, this and that. I'm like, oh yeah, sure, whatever.
What was his name again?
I don't know. He said his TikTok. Go down there and ask him.
I don't want to.
I wouldn't.
I kind of want to know though, so we can look it up. Are you still recording?
Yeah.
Okay. The bikes are going back on. The day's over at Ray's. I still have to drive all the way home, but
It's only like, it's only, not even 3 hours.
well, it's still a long drive, man. So, everything was successful. Nobody hit the ground, right?
No.
Nobody hit the ground. I don't know what else to say. That's pretty much all you got to say to make sure it's a good day. The bikes are intact. We got plenty of footage. And that's it, folks. Have a blessed day.
Stay solid, my friends.